How to find lambda of a wave when c equals lambda times nu. C is always the speed of light, which is 3.0 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. Lambda is the wavelength, and nu is the frequency. To put this into a problem, what is the wavelength of a microwave that has a frequency of 3.44 times 10 to the 9th hertz? C is the speed of light. We do not know what the wavelength is, and the frequency is 3.44 times 10 to the 9th hertz. To set this up, you put the speed of light over here, times the wavelength, times the frequency. Now, to get the wavelength by itself, you have to divide out each side by the frequency. When you do that, the wavelength equals 8.72 times 10 to the negative second. Now, we're going to use a second equation to figure out what the wavelength is. E equals h times nu. E is the energy, and h is Planck's constant. Nu is once again the frequency. Now, what is the wavelength of a wave if its energy is 4.791 times 10 to the negative 19th? E, which is the energy, is 4.791 times 10 to the negative 19th, and h is Planck's constant. To set this up, you put the energy over here, times Planck's constant, times the frequency. Now, to get the frequency by itself, you have to divide out each side by Planck's constant. When you do this, the frequency equals 7.230 times 10 to the 14th. Now, you have to transfer the frequency over into this equation. You put the speed of light equals the frequency times the wavelength. To get the wavelength by itself, you have to divide out the frequency on each side, and the wavelength equals 4.15 times 10 to the negative 7th.